Ugh. Yes, I fall off my bus. Where is Arthur? What happened to you? You look look different now. Hold on, your voice box is not working. I don't know what he's saying. Hold on, let me fix your voice box.
Can you hear me now?
Oh yes, I could hear you now.
So
Okay, what
I
happened to
got
you again?
burned. I had 500-degree burns.
Oh, that's why you're green? And what happened? Wait, what happened to your arms? Like your long arms? Get back over here. Wait, what do you? Bro. So this, we had to do the end. We make it so far, bro. Come here. I need to tell you something. Come here.
Hello.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, bro. Come here. Come here. Arthur, come over here. Arthur.
Yeah, huh?
Put your grapple on your hip slot and turn to the great view up there. Put up your grappler. Put up your grappler. Put up your grappler. And look at the great view over there. Look at the great view.
Ah, yeah. Huh? Lan, lan, no, 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 no good.